Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance M.A.S.L. Now and Forever. The song is Now Tell Forever. The artist is Kirk, Whalum, and the choreography is Marsha Harris of Gulfport, Mississippi. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, you can check out the step-by-step instruction and also check out the choreographer. And here we go. Marsha Harris. Great job. Very smooth by the only, one and only Kirk Whalum. Make sure you check out the instructional. Also check out the choreographer. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.